Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand induction cooktop and it's giving you an E705 error on the display and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So first of all, if you're getting the E7015 error, you're probably noticing that one or more of the burners will not turn on. And the reason they will not turn on is there's nothing wrong with your stove. The reason they won't turn on is because the E705 error is an overheating error. And so the stove needs to cool down to protect itself, because if it gets too hot, it will start to damage the cooktop and it will start to damage the internal components. So it automatically shuts off to allow itself to cool down. And all you need to do is just let that happen. So if you can just turn the whole thing off, that's best. And just let the stovetop cool down enough that you can turn it back on, and then you can just continue cooking. So again, there's nothing really, you haven't done anything wrong, there's nothing wrong with the stove. This is normal part of its functioning to protect itself from overheating. Just wait and you'll be able to turn it on once it's cooled down. So hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.